crafty ideas with you for Diwali. So let's just start with the procedure. But before starting, it's my humble request that guys who didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and make sure to hit the bell icon and hit likes and just share with your friends and relatives and tell them to just try the tutorial ones. Now after that, take here a piece of cardstock 7 by 10 centimeter and just take the ruler and just mark 0.5 centimeter from each side, as we want to get here a frame to construct. Now take here a ruler and a cutter, paper cutter, and just cut out the frame. Just don't cut this one part, as we want here a frame, so it will be the outer part. And now squeeze out the excess using scissor. Now after that, the inner one part you can just keep aside and you can use it for the further purpose, and just you required here with the outer frame. And just see, take here some gray color quilling strips, or you can just cut the strips from your gray color sheets also. Now add a pinch of glue on the each corner and opposite sides, and just take the quilling strip and just stick it like this. We're gonna make here a window for the frame, so first of all just stick like this. Now just add little glue to the another dents. Now just cut off the excess quilling strip and just use it here. Now just you repeat the process. Now just turn, see in the front part I have just done like this. Now turn it back and just you repeat the process at the back like this. Now just you cut off the excess part. Now just you similarly repeat the process. Now just you remove the excess part of the quilling strips using scissor. this lamp is very easy to create. You can gift it to someone also, and just do the finishing. Now take here a white cardstock of measure 10, and after that take here a piece of butter paper little bigger than it. Butter paper is also called trace paper, or you can also take the parchment paper, whatever you use at your home, and just keep it in the center and just put markings and just trace it like this, and just using ruler just you make here a rectangular shape. I suggest you that you have to use here the thick paper only, because here I am not using here a cardboard. If you are having white mound board, you can also use that. Now after that take here a paper cutter and just remove the window from inside. Now just remove it from the cardstock. Now just add little glue on the boundary. And just stick the butter paper, and now just stick the window shutter on the parchment paper. Just add glue on the lining. Now after that take here a piece of a pattern paper, or you can use the old wedding card, and now we will make here a outer boundary for the window shutter. So just take here and just I'm gonna mark here some markings. Now just I have marked the marking according to this cardstock. Now just take here a paper cutter and ruler and just cut out the inner window. From the cardstock, thick pattern paper. Now just you can remove it from the inside. like this. And now just you adjust the measurements and just stick the now just stick the pattern paper in on the outer boundary. And just erase the markings. Now you are required here with the 4 types of windows or flaps. See, I have made other 3 with the same process as I have told you. And now just take here 4 flaps or connectors for connecting to make a lamp or box. Now just arrange it in the manner so that you can stick it like this. So first take one connector and the height of the connector is same as the height of this outer box. So just add glue on one of its part and stick this. And using the scissor just press it to stick it properly. Now similarly sticks all the connectors on the windows. Now see, I have attached the connectors on all of the windows. Now add glue to the other end of the connectors. Now just add the connectors with the other window. Now I have attached all the flaps together to make a box. Now let it dry for some time. Now take here some more connectors and just take the measure of the connector is as much as the size of the base of this window, and just add glue and just stick it on every window like this. Now let it dry for some time so that it can be stick properly. Now see, it is dried completely. Now just fold this glass end of the connector and just add glue and take here a piece of square paper and take the base of this same as the connector and just add it on the first part, and it will be the base for the box. And just stick it properly and adhere it like this. Now add glue on all other flaps also, and just now after that take here a piece of net. I am having this net as I have used it from the old boxes, and if you don't have this net you can also use the kite color paper. Now just add glue gun. Now just add glue gun to on all of the sides of the box. Now I have stick the net, and now just take here some die cut out flowers. You can watch in my any video. I have given the tutorial of flowers. I will share the link in description box. So now just to hide the net piece, I am gonna stick these flowers. Now see, box is ready. You can just keep this piece of ribbon and just hold it tightly and just tie a ribbon around it. So your lantern, lamp, gift box is ready. Festivals, Diwali, and I will be keep coming to you with such more innovative ideas for the festival Diwali. So I hope you all guys like my video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon and place in the corner for getting more and more notifications. And you can just keep something gift for your relative inside the box. See? So till then, thank you.